The city of Lakewood has long been a shopping destination for residents and visitors alike. However, along with the millions of legitimate customers that purchase products and services in our city, there is also a criminal element that looks to target those same businesses for theft and fraud. Hi, I'm Sergeant Alden with the Lakewood Police Department. In cooperation with the Lakewood Department of Economic Development, I'd like to discuss some of the ways in which businesses can mitigate criminal incidents before they happen and improve successful prosecution when they do occur. Crime prevention through environmental design, or CEPTED as it's more commonly known, is the process of altering the environment to take away criminal opportunities. CEPTED surveys of Lakewood homes and businesses are a free service that the Lakewood Police Department Community Action Team performs on an as-requested basis. The surveys include one-on-one interaction with CEPTED certified police agent who will discuss topics such as natural surveillance, social management, natural access control, territorial reinforcement, and property maintenance with you. After completing the walkthrough portion of the survey, agents will complete a thorough report detailing the recommendations discussed. The beauty of the program is that it has zero associated costs to your businesses, and you can pick and choose the recommendations that best fit your business model and budget. To learn more about CEPTED or to request a CEPTED survey, please call 303-987-7423 and follow the prompts. As a business owner or manager, one of your top priorities is the health and safety of all retail employees and customers. Theft, shoplifting, and organized retail crime threatens both. Your first line of defense against retail theft is your employees. Training your employees to spot would-be thieves before a criminal event is an important tenet to prevention. Employees need to be trained to take note of shoplifting behaviors, such as customers avoiding contact with store personnel, those wearing heavy clothing in warm weather, people carrying multiple bags, customers making frequent and often short store visits. Beware of those using distracting behaviors like asking employees to check the back, look up prices, or engage in irrelevant conversations. Customers looking down or concealing their faces, and groups of customers that split up within your establishment. Tell employees to trust their instincts. When something seems off, it probably is. The best and safest prevention is providing extra customer service to the possible offender. Most thieves don't want to steal with someone watching, and your employees' vigilance will cause would-be thieves to seek other businesses where employees are less attentive. Note that if you train employees to confront or detain shoplifters, there are possible criminal and civil penalties should the employee be wrong. Make sure your establishment has strict loss prevention policies and procedures in place. The policies have been reviewed by a legal counsel and the employees have been properly trained. These steps will help protect both the store and its employees in the event of an incident. Employers' preventative preparations play a large role in both loss prevention and successful prosecution. One of the first steps is to request one of the previously mentioned CEPTED surveys and implement the recommended prevention strategies. Some other employer steps include, but are not limited to, know and educate staff on when the peak theft times are for your business. Provide effective customer service by having employees approach and engage customers to offer assistance. Keeping the store clean and organized. An organized store will help you note when something is missing. Keeping sight lines open to minimize areas where criminals can hide while they conceal items, switch price tags, or remove loss prevention devices. Place high-value items in easily surveilled areas and under lock and key. Installing camera systems with emphasis being placed on having high-resolution cameras near entrances, exits, and high-value items. When possible, position cameras near eye level to get the best possible capture of shoplifters' faces. Advertise security measures the business has in place. Keep registers near the exits. Educate staff on police reporting protocols and procedures. And lastly, building a good relationship with your staff. Staff that takes ownership of the store and cares for its management will make greater efforts to minimize loss. Business Safety and Security Program provides grant funding to help business owners like you create or update safety features on your property. The goals of this program are to create safe environments for you and your customers. This is a matching grant award with a maximum amount of $10,000. Your contribution amount must match the grant award. Selection will be based on project readiness, project impact on business operations, and overall public benefit. Please reach out to Lakewood's Economic Development Team at 303-987-7730 or email ed@lakewood.org for more information. Should your business have a theft incident, please report it to the police department. While one single incident may not seem worthwhile to report, as you all know, the dollar amounts can quickly add up over multiple events, and regular reporting can be vital to locate and prosecute serial shoplifters. Each report we receive is a piece of a puzzle that our detectives work diligently on. Your seemingly insignificant piece of the puzzle could and has in the past resulted in individual theft suspects being criminally charged and retail theft organizations being taken down. Disorderly behaviors can cause a neighborhood or business area to decline, can increase crime, and instill a fear of crime in the community. Businesses witnessing disorderly behaviors such as open drug use on their properties, graffiti, vandalism, prostitution, and trespassing are encouraged to collaborate with property owners and managers to file trespassing notices with the City of Lakewood. This will make it easier for law enforcement to prevent these crimes and improve the quality of life for your employees, customers, and the surrounding community. When reporting a criminal incident, it is important to know the most efficient reporting method. If there is an in-progress crime, an active disturbance, or your employees are threatened or injured, please call 911. If none of the preceding events occurred, it is best to file an online report at lakewood.org/police. Just look for the link to submit a non-emergency police report. Please make sure you upload any suspect information you have, whether it be descriptions, license plates, still photos, or video surveillance. Prevention of theft, shoplifting, organized retail crime, and disorderly behaviors is a complex issue that needs to be solved through cooperation and collaboration with business owners, employees, city government, and the police department. Together, we can work to discourage and minimize the effects of crime in our neighborhoods and businesses, while simultaneously increasing the quality of life of all who live, work, and visit the city.